Hello, our Desi and Pardesi friends. I'm Shweta
I'm Naveen.
and welcome to A Desi Abroad. Today we are going to cook for you a lovely pot of vegetable biryani, a dish that's quite close to our heart and that we love and cook quite frequently at home. It is a dish that's cooked with a lot of vegetables, paneer, fragrant spices, and slow cooked with rice. I guarantee you an explosion of flavors in the mouth. You can make this for any occasion, and believe me, your family and friends will love you for cooking it. But before I get to the recipe, can I please request you to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so that you get notifications for all our latest video uploads. So without further delay, let's see the ingredients that we need to prepare this dish. Wash and soak 1 kg basmati rice for half an hour. For vegetables, we need 100 grams carrot, 100 grams beans and 9 to 10 cauliflower florets. Paneer 125 grams, 1 large onion sliced and 1 cup of green peas. 2 medium-sized potatoes diced. 15 to 20 strands of saffron soaked in 4 to 5 tablespoons of warm water. 10 to 12 mint leaves. Half a bunch of coriander leaves. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half a teaspoon cumin powder, half a teaspoon garam masala powder, salt to taste, fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon dry roasted, black cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, 4 cloves, 4 cardamom pods, 2 1-inch sticks of cinnamon, 1 black cardamom, 1 star anise, 4 bay leaves, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 2 large tablespoons of yogurt. We need 1 teaspoon of black cumin seeds and 1 bay leaf to cook along with the rice. In a pot, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. When it is hot, add the paneer cubes and saute till they turn golden brown. Once the paneer cubes turn golden brown, take them out in a bowl and set them aside to be added to the biryani later. To the same oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and whole spices. Saute till the flavor of the whole spices infuse in the oil. Now add in the sliced onions. Sprinkle a little salt to help the onions sweat and cook evenly. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and continue to saute till the onions turn golden brown. To this, add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for a minute. Add in the potato cubes and saute for about 5 minutes. Make sure that when you cut potatoes for a vegetable biryani, that you cut them into slightly large pieces so that when it is cooked along with the spices and in the gravy, that it still holds its shape and tastes good when we eat the biryani. Now add in the chopped carrots, the cauliflower florets and the beans and continue to saute. Now add in the dry spices like chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and garam masala powder and saute for a minute. You can add in a little water to prevent the spices from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Cover and cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add in the green peas and paneer. Saute for a minute. After 5 minutes, add in 2 tablespoons of yogurt and give it a quick stir. You know friends, over the years, I've seen a lot of people call a vegetable biryani a pulao. But let me tell you, these two are totally different dishes, one very unique from the other. You know, a pulao is more of a one-pot dish wherein the vegetables and rice are cooked together in one pot. But for a biryani, we semi-cook the rice separately and then layer it over this vegetable base, which gives it its unique texture and aroma. So now I hope you have your facts sorted. Well, getting back to the recipe now, cover and cook on low heat for another 5 minutes. Then add in the coriander leaves. Mix well. Then add in the kasuri methi. Our vegetable base for the biryani is now ready. Now let's move on to cooking the rice. In a large pot, take about 5 to 6 liters of water. To this, add 2 large tablespoons of salt. The water should be as salty as seawater. Then add in the dry spices, 1 bay leaf and 1 teaspoon of black cumin seeds. When the water starts to boil, add in the soaked rice. Give it a quick mix and allow the rice to come to a boil. When the rice is cooked 70%, spread the first layer over the vegetable base. When the rice is about 80% cooked, spread the second layer. Make sure that you spread the rice out evenly. To this, sprinkle a pinch of cardamom powder and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Pour the saffron water on top of the rice. This will give the biryani its authentic color. Seal the biryani handi with a foil. This is a very important step as this will prevent the steam from escaping while the biryani cooks. Place the handi over a tawa or a griddle. Cover tightly with the lid and place a heavy object on top to further prevent the steam from escaping. And cook for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. Once you switch off the flame, do not open the lid till about 10 minutes. This helps the steam to settle down. And there we have our delicious vegetable biryani. It smells so delicious and the aroma is making me so hungry. Friends, I wish there was a smello video through which I could send this aroma to your homes as well. But do try this out next time you want to cook that special dish and you will become the star of your kitchen. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. Click on the bell icon to receive notifications of all our latest video uploads. See you soon in our next video with another mouth-watering recipe. Until then, stay safe and happy.